Good morning, Cheyenne. We just wanted to say from REMAX Capital Properties, thank you. We've always been sold on our community, and it continues to shine through in the middle of what we've been experiencing. So many restaurants are still open to feed us. We are grateful for that. The grocery store workers that keep the groceries on the shelves the best that they're able to, and of course, our healthcare workers. It takes a lot of guts to every day go in and fight whatever virus happens to be, whether it's right now or anytime. So just thank you from REMAX. We appreciate being a part of this great community.